KBB fair market range high, 6,195 recent arrival Graphite Shadow 2015 INFINITI Q50 clean vehicle history, maintenance performed by John Sinclair Nissan. 2030 city/highway MPG reviews, many standard high-tech electronic and safety features, nicely detailed interior, excellent fuel economy from available hybrid model, muscular V6 engine, roomy trunk. Source: Edmunds The INFINITI Q50 has a wide, low stance, with flowing curves that start from the double wave hood and glide all the way back. In the front of the car is a bold-looking double-arch grille, and in the rear you will notice the crescent-shaped windows, which create a feeling of more space. The exterior lights are stunningly designed and utilize LEDs as well. The Q50 comes as a 3.7 liters V6 with 328 horsepower or a hybrid with a 3.5 liters V6 engine coupled with a 50 kilowatts electric motor pushing out 360 horsepower. Each model lets you pick from a rear-wheel drive or an all-wheel drive version. The rear-wheel drive Q50 Hybrid Premium gets the best gas mileage of the bunch with an impressive EPA estimated 29 MPG City and 36 MPG Highway. The interior of the vehicle will immerse you in luxurious design. Take in the beauty of wood accents that are hand-polished, and the comfort of plush front seats that are the result of extensive ergonomic research. The high-resolution display between your gauges has been developed to show a wide range of vehicle information, while reducing your risk of being distracted. The Q50 comes very generously equipped with standard features including such items as directed active steering, leatherette seats, dual-screen display, Bluetooth with voice recognition, push-button start, 6-speaker sound system with USB and auxiliary inputs, and 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Plus, options like the INFINITI Vehicle Apps with navigation, a 14-speaker BOSE sound system, a round view monitor, lane departure warning, predictive forward collision warning, backup collision intervention, and blind spot warning are available on all trims above the Q50 3.7. Source: the Manufacturer Summarybr. The 2015 INFINITI Q50 strengths are its handling and power, its interior luxury and comfort, and its very reasonable price when compared to other luxury brands. It's a triple threat that's hard to top. Source: kbb.com.